Alright, guys, it's a little past midnight and it is time for a box opening. We got the Commander Bundle Box. We're going to open it up, show you what's inside, rip some packs, see if we get anything. Just for those of you that are panic buying these, please stop panic buying them. I keep seeing them at the stores. I've already seen them at different shops. They're available. Do not freak out and spend the $200 and something people are asking online. It's obnoxious. I bought this for regular price, guys. Oh, careful. Do not throw this away this time, guys. That is actually attached on the inside. That's your promo stuff. That would have been disastrous. There's a land pack. It's my promo pack. Let's start with that. And a life counter. There we go, guys. That's actually a pretty nice one. I like the coloring. Can't really tell on the camera. It's not as good. In person, it's actually pretty decent coloring. Very slick. Good click. I like it. Let's set our life to 20. Collector booster last. Let's start here. See what this promo pack's about. Now, for those of you that know me, I normally don't open my pre-release packs or my promo packs. I normally just keep them in my box, but this one I want to see. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Non-foil extended Enlightened Tutor. Very nice. Oh. Worldly Tutor. Ooh, Swiftfoot Boots. Very nice. There's my Soul Ring. Non-foil. And an Arcane Signet. Not bad. I like that, guys. Swiftfoot Boots and a Worldly Tutor and an Enlightened Tutor. I would have rather had the free commander spells, but I will definitely take some tutors. I don't use them in my decks, but they're always nice to have. Pack 1, guys. Copy. Full Art Swamp. Rowdy Snowballers. The Grand Lotus. Nice. June. Island Temple. Swamp Keeper. Allies Last. Quencha. Razor Ring. Fan. A Turtle Duck. Alright. File these in the box for later. See the next pack. This land enters tapped. Can sack it. Draw a card. Alright. Leaves of the Vine. Firebender's Ascension. Another Leaves from the Vine. Ooh. Fire Nation Attacks Extended Art. Looks nice. Joe D. Avatar State. An Otter Penguin. Canyon Crawler. Vinebender. Human Plant Ally. Alright. Now we're getting some crazy creature types. Swamp. Mongoose Lizard. Airbender Ascension. Uncle Ira. Trusty Boomerang. Southern Air Temple. Ruthless Admiral. Lightning Strike. Alright. Mountain. Abandoned Attachments. Great art card. Earth King. Iguana Parrot. Rebel Arena. Alright, guys. Fire Nations drill in the showcase. Coda, Selfless Commander. Aang's Journey. Fire Lesson. Double foil. White Lotus tile. Ooh, fancy. Wonder if that's going to be something because it says Lotus in the name. I honestly have not looked at prices. I think pre-release pricing is ridiculous, and I have a hard time quoting off that. I will update with current prices when I post this video, but for now, I'm just saying, I haven't looked them up. Foil Day of the Black Sun, Tai Li Chi Blocker, Aang, The Last Airbender, a Cat Gator, a Rabbit Kangaroo. I wonder if that fits in bunnies. And I wonder, nope, that's black. Cat Gator's black. Can't run it in my cat deck, guys. But that bunny kangaroo, if it has something good, I might stick it in the bunny deck. See what she do. Flip card. Bustable Man. Hey, there we go. I know she's cool. Scornful Striker, that's a good ability on her. Waterbending Scroll. Zuko's Exile. Path to Redemption. There's a Beetle-headed. How to Start a Riot. I know how to start a riot. We'll start a riot, guys. Let's all get together. Meet up over at Wizards of the Coast facility. We'll start a riot. Tell them this wallet fatigue's getting crazy. Meditation Pool. Boomy. He looks like a crazy dude. I like that. Crazy eyes. Dragon Insect. Yep. Alright. And Commander Booster, Collector Booster, guys. Oh, a lot easier to open than a normal Collector Booster. We got a foil ally with a clue. We got an extended United Front foil. Tarnished Citadel foil. Baboon Spirit extended. Lion Vulture foil. Jasmine Dragon Tea Shop foil. Foil Island. Loyal Fire Sage. Deer Dog. Epic Downfall. Ooh, Vinebender. Alright, guys. So, nothing too crazy. I think this is all lands. I really hate to open land packs. I don't open land packs. It's looking like it's all lands. I don't think there's anything worth opening in here. However, a lot of them look like they were foil. Those foils are going back quite a ways, guys. So if you're into foil, full art lands, definitely open it. I'm just not going to do it. Let me see this last card. If the last card's a land, then we know it's all lands. It's a land. Alright, it's all lands, guys. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. Hopefully you guys can find one of these at one of your stores local. Do not pay inflated prices. Shop smart, you guys. Buy what you can. Buy where you can. But don't go crazy. Thank you guys. Hope you guys have a good time at pre-release if you're going. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And have a great day.